Okay, good morning students.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Good morning boys.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Good morning girls.
Good morning, Ma'am.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay student, for English today we will learn about how to answer be going to. Bagaimana cara menjawab kalimat be going to. At the last meeting, pertemuan sebelumnya, we have to try to make a interrogative sentence. Kalian sudah belajar tentang cara membuat kalimat interrogative be going to. And now, sekarang we will try to answer the interrogative one. The formula here is yes. If you say yes, the subject and to be. The answer is only there is subject and to be. Jadi kalau kalimat interrogatifnya to be dulu, maka kalau menjawabnya menjadi subject dulu. Next, if no, subject to be plus not, because here no, karena jawabannya no. So you have to remember here, subject and to be is the same with positive one, sama dengan kalimat positif. Jadi ini sama dengan kalimat positif. Why? Kenapa? Because subject is at the first time, karena subjeknya ada di awal. So if you say yes, yes subject plus to be. If you say no, no subject to be and not. Look at this example, lihat contohnya. Is Galuh going to buy apple? What is the meaning of the sentence? Apa artinya? Artinya
Galuh akan membeli apel.
if there is a question, kalau ada pertanyaan, you have to answer. Kamu harus menjawab. The answer here is two choice. Ada pilihan dua, pilihannya ada dua. If Galuh right go to buy apple, kalau Galuh benar-benar membeli apel, so you have to say yes. But if Galuh not go to buy apple, you have to answer no. But how do you say yes? Yes, she is. Look at here. The question is Galuh. You have to change. Kamu harus memindahkannya. So the answer is Galuh here to be she. Why Galuh here to be she? Because Galuh ia satu orang perempuan. Is Galuh, jadi she is. If say yes, kalau menjawab yes, yes she is. And if Galuh not buy apple, kalau Galuh tidak membeli apple, no she is not. So which one is the subject? Mana subjeknya di sini? She sebagai subjek. Where is to be? Is. Not is for not. For no, not-nya untuk no. Kalau kamu bilang yes, tidak boleh ditambahi not. Do you have any questions? No. Okay student, next who will answer number one? Number one here, is Vida going to sing on the stage? Is Vida going to sing on the stage? What is the meaning of the sentence? Apakah Vida akan bernyanyi di atas panggung? Berarti ini tanya sama Firda apa tidak? Tidak. Here is a conversation between one person to one person. Percakapannya dari satu orang dengan satu orang yang lain. Jadi tidak bertanya langsung terhadap Vida. Okay, who will answer this one? Okay, Sandi. Number one. What is the meaning of the sentence? Apakah Vida akan
Bernyanyi di atas panggung.
If Sandi ask me, apakah or I ask to Sandi, atau saya tanya sama Sandi, Is Vida going to sing on the stage? Sandi, if Sandi look Vida akan bernyanyi, Sandi will say yes. Okay. Yes, she is. Why do you choose she here? Kenapa kamu pakai she di sini?
Karena Vida perempuan.
Iya, karena Vida satu orang perempuan. So, if Vida sing to on the stage, Sandi will say yes, she is. Is it right? Okay. If Vida not will go to on the stage, no, she is not. No, subject is plus not. Is it right? Okay, give applause for Sandi. Next, who will move forward? Number 2. Akil. Okay, Akil. Please move forward. Okay, stand here. What is the meaning of the sentence? Apa arti kalimatnya? Apakah
Mila dan Cindy
akan
bermain
boneka? If I ask you, apakah Mila dan Cindy akan bermain boneka? If you say yes, yes they are. Why do you choose they as a subject here? Kenapa kamu pilih they sebagai subjek di sini?
karena lebih dari
Apanya yang lebih dari satu?
orang.
Subjek apa orang? Subjek. Karena subjeknya lebih dari satu. Is it right? Right. So, yes, they are. Is it right? Okay. If you say no, no, they are not. Is it right? Okay, I ask you, why yes here without not? Kenapa yes di sini tanpa not? Karena not itu jawaban tidak atau untuk jawaban no. Okay, give applause for why is your answer the subject here using I. Kenapa jawaban kamu di sini menggunakan I sebagai subjek? Because who can help? Siapa yang bisa bantu? Because subject you change to be I. Karena subjek you itu kalau tanya kan gini, apakah kamu akan makan bakso? Berarti tanya ke siapa ini? Ke orangnya langsung, apakah kamu akan makan bakso? Cindy kan jawabnya hanya pilihannya dua, yaitu antara iya atau tidak. Tapi kalau Cindy tidak akan makan bakso, maka Cindy menjawab no. No, I am not. Tidak, saya tidak makan. Tapi kalau Cindy akan makan, yes I am. Ya, saya akan. So difference here, you to be I. Okay, sit down. Give applause for Cindy. So if the subject I plus am, not are again, tidak are lagi karena I di sini pasangannya am. Do you have any questions how to answer this sentence? How to answer be going to? Kamu punya pertanyaan? No. If you don't have any question, I hope you study at home to be better. Kamu harus belajar di rumah agar bisa lebih baik lagi. And the time now is over. Waktunya sekarang sudah habis. See you.